Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing one. The reason why is I got delivered two big boxes the other day. I got an email on my Facebook page from a guy called Tony Shepherd asking me if I wanted to review their Ozpig Bbq system. After going on Google and finding out what it was, what it does, I emailed him back and said, hell yeah, I want to try your stuff out. And he was really awesome about it, and he sent me two boxes with heaps of accessories. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing these, just like Christmas time. So stay with me, let's have a look inside these boxes. So in the first box here we have, I'll get it out, oh it's a bit heavy ass, oh, holy hell, this is one thing in the whole box. And there we have the Ozpig Great Cooking Outdoors. It says your best friend for the outdoors, cooking, heating, camping, caravans and backyards on there. Bloody heavy. Right, in this box here, oh cool, your handbook, you'll love your pig, burning your Ozpig, thank you for purchasing your new Ozpig. So it tells you how to burn with the wooden stuff. This off. There we have a little barbecue. Now what's in this door here? I think that's for the, take the lid off. Wow. Here we have the, I think that's the bag to put your Ozpig in if you're travelling. A little travel bag. Yep, travel bag there. Also in here is the chimney. There's the chimney there. Another chimney. One there. There are the legs. What else we got in here? It's a bit of a grate. Right in here. Up there. Holy hell, look at all this stuff. Far out. Oh, this is cool. This is the heat bead basket. So you can also use the wood in the oven or the basket for the heat beads like you do on the Weber. There we are. Got one heat bead basket. Oh, right. That's good quality too. Oh, the vented door. One vented door there. Replaces the standard door and closes completely to provide constant ventilation. Right. That's so bloody cool. Oh, that's cool. Even that's quite heavy. A vented door system. The offset chimney kit. There we go. Two offset chimney pieces and two straight chimney pieces. And this is something that I really love. Look at that one. The rotisserie kit. And that one sits on top of your Ozpig there. This is where I've seen videos online and people cooking up their roasts Yeah, I was watching the videos yesterday, man, they were bloody tasty as. I've always wanted one of these. Got your little forks there. Wow. There's a little motor there for it, and that takes two size D batteries, so it'll be handy to go when you're in the bush or somewhere, or camping, you've got no power, just plug her in and stick your meat on. Wow, I love that, I love it. Now also in here we have the diffuser. Now the diffuser regulates the heat for cooking on top of your Ozpig. So that goes on top once your wood's cooking or your charcoals. If it gets too hot, you put this on and it helps to regulate the heat. And also we have extension legs. Yeah. And that can set your barbecue a bit higher. I'll definitely be using those. Extension legs for your Ozpig. And also in here I have got, oh, they sent me a tool rack as well. Look at that. Awesome little tool rack. All your tools are right next to your Ozpig. Attaches to the Ozpig for easy storage of cooking implements along with the diffuser, wok and frying pan. Fantastic. And this is another heavy box. Get rid of that one. Whoa. What we have here is the char grill plate and drip tray. That's what you put on your barbecue. If you want to cook up some steak on top, and the drip tray for capturing the fat and stuff. Let's get that one out. It's pretty heavy as well. There we go. Cook a nice steak on that for sure. And the drip tray. Here we have it. It's your first little chimney. And the third part. Oh yeah, so you put your wood on top of there. So these are diffuser. It helps to regulate the heat if your fire gets too hot. Which is a great idea. Warming plates. It's a great idea too, so when your fire's hot here, it'll keep your food warm while you're cooking something else. Great idea. Right, so there's my unboxing video of the Ozpig. Gave me heaps of accessories to go with it as well. I'll put a link in the video description below to the website. Go on there and check out the website out, check out the products and check out their videos on how to cook the food. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do first. Am I going to put the wood in here? I've got heaps of manicure in the shed. Or am I going to use the heat basket? The old heat beads. I like using heat beads, but I also like to use the fire, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use. And I'm looking forward to cooking on here very soon, so bloody awesome. Looking forward to it. So I'll catch you guys all next time. Thanks Ozpig. Hey rubber. Yeah boy.